Hello viewers, welcome to Speed Math Techniques with Sukku and Jikku. Today we are going to learn how to multiply numbers near 70, 80 and 90. Sukku is narrating today to us. Friends, today I am going to teach you how to multiply numbers near 70, 80 and 90 with a shortcut method. As an example, we have 76 times 79. There are 4 steps in total. Step 1 is to identify the working base for this example. The numbers 76 and 79 are near to 80. So we will use 80 as our working base. Step 1 is complete. In step 2, we have to subtract 76 and 79 from our working base, which in this example is 80. Now, 76 minus 80 equals minus 4 and 79 minus 80 equals minus 1. Step 2 is complete. In step 3, we have to multiply and cross add the numbers. Minus 4 times minus 1 equals 4. This is the first part of step 3. Now the second part of step 3 is to cross add the numbers. 76 plus minus 1 equals 75 and 79 plus minus 4 equals 75 as well. So we'll mark 75 next to the 4. So the 75 is the tens and the 4 is the ones which you must note. Step 3 is complete. Step 4 is the very important step. Now we have to multiply 75 and our working base, which is 80. We get 6,000, which is equivalent to 600 tens. To get our answer, we have to add the 4 to 600. We get 6,004, which is our answer. Step 4 is complete. Very easy, isn't it? I will provide one more example to you now, which will make the topic more clearer to understand. Now we have 86 times 83. There are 4 steps in total. Step 1 is to identify the working base for this episode. The numbers 86 and 83 are near to 90. So, 90 is going to be used as our working base by us. Step 1 is complete. In step 2, we have to subtract 86 and 83 from our working base. In this episode, the working base is 90, which you already know. Now we have to find the answer to 86 minus 90. You get minus 4. Now 83 minus 90 equals minus 7. Step 2 is complete. In step 3, you have to multiply and cross add the numbers. The first part is multiplication. Minus 4 times minus 7 equals 28. Now we have to cross add the numbers, which is the second part of our step 3. 83 plus minus 4 equals 79. And also 86 plus minus 7 is also 79. So we'll place 79 next to the 28. Note that the 79 is our tens and the 28 is the ones. Step 3 is complete. In step 4, which is the most important step, we have to multiply 79 and 90, which is our working base. A 79 is also 79 tens, which is equivalent to 790. 79 times 90 equals 7,110, which is equivalent to 711 tens. To get the answer, we add the 28 ones to 711. So, 711 tens plus 28 equals 7,138, which is our answer. Step 4 is complete. Let us finally see one more example where the numbers are above and below the base, which is 70. Now as an example, we have 75 times 65. There are 4 steps in total, like the 2 episodes we already had seen before. Step 1 is to identify the working base. The numbers 75 and 65 are near to 70. So, 70 is going to be used by us as our working base. Step 1 is complete. In step 2, we have to subtract 75 and 65 from our working base, which is 70 in this episode. 75 minus 70 equals 5. And 65 minus 70 equals minus 5. Step 2 is complete. In step 3, we have to multiply and cross add the numbers. The first part is to multiply the numbers on the right side column. 5 times minus 5 equals minus 25. This is the second part of step 3 coming up. We have to cross add the numbers. 75 plus minus 5 is 70 and 65 plus 5 is also 70. So 70 is the answer for cross add. Note that the 70 is tens and the minus 25 is ones. Step 3 is complete. In step 4, which is the most important step, we have to multiply 70 and 70, which is our working base, like twins. We get 4,900, which is equivalent to 490 tens. To get the answer, we have to subtract 25 from 490 tens, which is equivalent to 4,900. So, 4,900, which is 490 tens, to make it easier, minus 25 is 4,875, which is our answer. Step 4 is complete. Help! Sukku is trying to catch up with Sukku on this technique. Would you be able to help her? We have got 67 times 74, 79 times 82, 86 times 79 and 78 times 88. Thank you for watching this video, everyone. Remember to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell.